Hello, my name is Tudor Mihailescu. I'm a founder at Sosha. We build an AI-powered B2B SaaS for organic social engagement. In 2022, social media marketing became the main marketing channel for companies. But within this context, most senior marketing execs find getting their content across on social media as one of the biggest challenges in a saturated environment. The solution for this is user-generated content. We all know that we trust our connections much more than any form of advertising. And in fact, 79% of people report that organic generated content influences their purchasing decisions. The best type of user-generated content looks like this. This is Khan, one of the speakers at How to Web, who's created a post announcing that they're attending the conference. This is a great match between the main value of How to Web, their personalized touch, and also creating a post that is optimized for engagement. This post got around 50 engagements on LinkedIn. But creating this type of valuable content is very difficult to do, and most companies don't have an easy way to do that. That's why we've created Sosha. With Sosha, companies can use a writing assistant that turns any type of input text into a shareable social post that is optimized for the right platform, that then they can recommend to their community members. And using our platform, their community members can then take that draft post and optimize it into their own unique post and share it on their favorite social network. The company can then track the analytics. At Sosha, we're a team of 8 and 2 co-founders. It's myself and Valentin, who's not here today. We have a great background between myself, who's built a social networking platform before and have a PhD in language analysis, and my co-founder, who was an early pioneer in generative AI. He built a generative AI algorithm all the way back to 2016. At the moment, Sosha has been used by more than 500 organizations to generate a marketing value of $40 million. How to Web is one of our clients, but we also work with PepsiCo, Cision, Novavax, and our platform was even used by the Biden and Harris campaign in 2020. We're currently at $250K annualized revenue run rate and growing rapidly to hit $1 million in ARR by next summer. And our average contract value is $6K a year.
Thank you.
We're actually fundraising and looking for potentially interested investors. If you're interested in having a chat, please scan this QR code and book a meeting with me. Thank you.
Thank you. Big round of applause, judges.
Hi, quick question. I didn't understand exactly what is it that you're doing. So do I write, do generative AI writes, do I spread it around? Is it automatical? How does it work? I didn't get it.
That's a great question. So the way the platform works is that the organizations want to suggest to you a draft post, right? And that includes an image, for instance, in that case. It includes a draft text. And then you take that draft text, and our platform helps you customize it for your own social network and then share it. The generative AI comes in 2 places. It actually learns from the sharing that happens from our platform to create the shareable posts. And it also helps the marketers of the company input any draft text, for instance, a press release, and create those posts automatically. So we help both sides. The company draft the draft post, and then we help the user then customize that into their own language and post it.
Can you give us one key number that you're improving for your clients and by how much?
Sure. So we actually work with an organization that's based in the United States. Their name is Field Team 6. They register voters to vote. When they started using Sosha 2 years ago, they had around 50 people posting. Today they have 15,000 people posting regularly and have generated $4 billion impressions on social media in the last 2 years. That led to them registering 2.9 million voters to vote. They only use organic social, they don't use any form of advertising. Another customer, a Fortune 50 company, managed to generate an 1,900% increase in sharing on press releases from their employees by using our platform.
A curiosity about Sosha, if you are using your own product to promote on social media your company.
Yes, absolutely. So we actually did a rebrand 2 weeks ago. We changed our name to Sosha and we announced a partnership with PR Newswire. Sosha now provides the social sharing technology that all PR Newswire customers can use to embed in their press releases. And we used our product to get our investors and the community to share, including the employees of Cision and PR Newswire.
So I just want to say thank you because we've been using a few of the of your technology. You've been using this for multiple industries, for multiple use cases. Where you've seen the biggest impact in the market?
And we spoke about this last time we met last summer. We focus on 2 very specific use cases. Advocacy organizations who want their supporters to share, that's actually how we started. And now we've entered the corporate market where corporations use the tool to get their employees to post on social media. So these 2 channels are great for where the product is right now. We can go into other channels at a later stage. For instance, customers sharing about their favorite products.
Got it. I can ask some more stuff. Do you have time? All right, excellent. So you mentioned that you have probably 20K MRR approximately, right?
In September, 21.2K.
All right, excellent. So what is the profile of your existing customers, like the ones that are best performing?
Yes, so we're selling to the user buyer is the VP of communications. That's where the budget comes from. And then our user buyer is the social media manager that then works with multiple internal departments to promote recruitment, to promote press releases, to promote events, and so on. So our strategy is actually to become used by multiple internal departments, and that's how we actually can upsell inside a large organization. Fortune 500 companies also have an employee advocacy lead, which is an entire department whose only job is to get the employees to post on social.
And given the fact that 2023 has been quite a rough year when it comes to anything, recruitment, employer branding, etc., definitely less of a focus now. Have you seen any impact of that on your business?
Yes, so we actually work with an impact in the other way around. We actually have an average churn rate of 2% over the last 7 months, so it's very low. We've seen an impact the other way around. So we work with a biotech company that had to lay off 30% of their staff, and they kept Sosha because that's the only way for them to, with a slash in marketing budget, they see our platform as a really effective way to generate organic engagement. We renewed our contract at the height of their crisis, and they were like, we will keep you guys because this is what we need to use. So it's been the other way around.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Big round of applause for Sosha.